popping, my lip gloss is cool. All the boys be jocking, they chase me after school. What you know about me? 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 What you... Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your girl, the Ashley Michelle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this poppin' two-piece set. So if you want to know how you can achieve one just like this, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so unfortunately I did lose the actual footage of me making the two-piece set, but I am going to talk you guys through the process. It is very simple and it literally only took me 5 minutes to make this entire two-piece. So the first thing that you want to do is grab your jacket and lay it flat down on a flat surface, and you're going to measure where the middle of the jacket is. And I cut the jacket about right above my belly button. So I just started from the end and I cut straight across the jacket, making it into 2 separate pieces. And literally all I did to make the skirt part was I took the little scrunchy edges and I scrunched them together like such, and I scrunched them until they could fit my waist. And basically that's how you make the skirt, just like that. Now you could have went ahead and hemmed the bottom of the skirt, but I didn't do that just because, as you all can see, it is a little short on me and I didn't want it to be too short. So that way I could still wear it. I left it free flowing at the bottom. And the only thing extra that I did was I added a hem across the entire bottom of the jacket, just so that way it could have a nicer clean look. And I'm going to show you guys how I did go about making the hem. I'm just going to take some straight pins and pin them along the bottom just to show y'all. So all I did was I took the bottom portion of the jacket and rolled it up about 1 centimeter and just put my pin in place like such. So you do not have to use a sewing machine to actually complete this look. You can use just a needle and thread, but just so that way I could make this look a little bit more seamless, I did go ahead and use a sewing machine. I did use a zigzag stitch. It doesn't stretch that well, so I didn't want to use a straight stitch and it not and it'd be too small. So I did use a zigzag stitch, as you all can see. And basically the end of the jacket underneath the sewing machine, and I just sewed all the way down. Sewed all the way down and around using the zigzag stitch. And that's pretty much all it is to it, you guys. A simple hem and you're done. Alright you all, that is all for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it and definitely learned something new. Don't forget to drop me a comment down below of what you guys thought about today's video. And also let me know in the comments what you all want to see me do next. And most importantly, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And y'all know what to do. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay poppin'. And I'll check y'all out in my next video. Bye!